If you're looking to generate reports in Salesforce, you're in the right place. In this quick explanation, I'll show you how to easily create reports in Salesforce so you can get the insights you need to drive better decisions and track your business performance. Now, before we dive in, did you know you can use Salesforce completely free with exclusive bonuses just from the first link below? Make sure you check that out after the video, and trust me, it's worth it. First things first, when you're in Salesforce, navigate to the Reports tab. This is where all the magic happens. If you don't see it, you can easily find it by searching in the search bar at the top. Next, you'll click on Create New Report. You'll be prompted with a variety of report types like tabular, summary, matrix, or joined. Choose the one that best fits your needs, but for now, let's start with a simple tabular report, which is great for showing data in a list format. The third thing you'll want to do is select the right data. You can choose from objects like accounts, contacts, opportunities, or custom objects that your organization uses. This is where you pull in the data that's relevant to the report you want to create. Once you have your data, the next thing is to add filters. Salesforce lets you filter the data by fields like date ranges, specific categories, or custom criteria. For example, you might filter for opportunities closed last quarter or accounts in California. Setting up the right filters ensures you're pulling the exact data you need. Now that you have your filters in place, let's move on to customizing the columns. Salesforce makes it easy to add or remove columns based on the fields you want to display. You can add things like account name, opportunity amount, and close date, just drag and drop to reorder. The fifth thing you need to know is how to summarize your data. For example, you can group by a field like close date to see how your opportunities stack up by month or quarter. Summary reports allow you to get a high-level view of your performance, which is incredibly useful for tracking trends over time. Next, you can save your report, and Salesforce even lets you schedule it to run automatically. If you want to receive updates at regular intervals, you can set up scheduled emails to send the report directly to your inbox. It's a huge time saver. Finally, let's talk about sharing your reports. Once your report is ready, you can share it with team members by adjusting the sharing settings. You can even export the report to Excel or PDF for offline access or presentation purposes. Remember, Salesforce's reporting capabilities are extremely powerful, and this is just the basics. If you want more advanced features like dashboard integration or automated reporting, Salesforce offers those options as well. Before we wrap up, just a quick reminder, you can get Salesforce completely free from the first link below, and with that, you get exclusive bonuses. This is the perfect chance to try out these features for yourself, so don't miss it. And there you have it, how to generate reports in Salesforce quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out the exclusive extended free trial using the link below. Happy reporting!